But what makes us different from the competition?
That's basically it. It's okay buying software. That's great. Everybody can sell you it, but it's the service. It's what you get after you've paid your dollars.
Translating a program from our CAD game software to a USB drive to the CNC.
Updated our DNC system.
We've been able to increase our productivity by about 25%.
Flytown offers you guys to be the ninjas of shop floor automation.
And installed the Predator DNC software for me.
I bought one of these portable units for some of our older machines.
I've been with us for years, for about 12 years now.
You guys are good problem solvers for us.